Hi, welcome to Sam and Riley's presentation of the past tense. In this video, we're going to teach you how to form and use the perfect tense in the active and passive forms.
Our vocabulary will be the following verbs to the right of the screen, including orno, exercio, gero, and aperio.
The endings we're going to be using for the active are isti, it, imus, istis, erunt.
Wait, pause.
Just pause.
So step 1, to form the perfect tense, you want to go to the third principal part and then take off the ending. This applies to all verbs.
The next step is to add on your endings. So for orno, ornare, we would have ornawi, ornawisti, ornawit, ornawimus, ornawistis, ornawerunt. For exercio, we would have exercui, exercuisti, exercuit, exercuimus, exercuistis, exercuerunt. It continues like this for the rest of the declensions. You would translate these in the following way. For orno, ornare, we would have ornawi, I decorated, ornawisti, you decorated, ornawit, he decorated, ornawimus, we decorated, ornawistis, you all decorated, and ornawerunt, they decorated.
For the passive or the deponent, you only have one step to form them. You must go to the fourth principal part, and then according to the number or the gender, you must add the accord. And then once you have done that, you must add the present active indicative of esse, which is to be.
This is the same for verbs of all declensions. For the first declension, ornare, we would take ornatus and then change it to ornata if it's feminine, ornatum if it's neuter, ornati if it's masculine plural, ornatai if it's feminine plural, or ornata if it's neuter plural. Then you would add on your present active indicative of to be. This translates to I have been decorated, you have been decorated, he has been decorated, we have been decorated, you all have been decorated, and they have been decorated.
Here are some examples that you can use to practice the active perfect. See if you can get them right.
Here are the correct answers.
Here are some more examples with the active perfect. This time we will be translating from Latin to English.
Here are the correct answers. We will now be moving on to the passive perfect.
Here are now examples that you can practice for the passive perfect.
Here are the answers. Next we'll go from Latin to English.
Here are some examples with the passive perfect from English to Latin.
Wait, what time does our next class start?
Alright, you're good. Here are the answers.
How long do you keep on?
We hope that you have learned the past tense in the past couple slides, and stay classy, Rome.